There is one sentence that tells a native listener, inside 6 words, that English is your second language. It is on the board, and by the end of this video you will never build it again. English splits verbs into 2 families. An action unfolds over time. You can watch someone eat, run, or write. A state is just true. Knowing, wanting, liking are not things you can watch happen. The ing ending has exactly one job. It says this is unfolding right now. A state does not unfold, so on a state verb the ending has nothing to describe. That is the whole rule. So the repair is one move. The natural sentence is, I know the answer. The state said simply, and it already means right now. Here is the test that works mid-sentence. If you can do the verb slowly, it is an action and ing is available. If doing it slowly sounds absurd, it is a state. Keep it simple. The states cluster into 5 families: thinking, wanting, liking, having, as, owning, and seeming. Own the 5 headwords and the rest of each family follows by feel. A colleague explains a process and you have lost the thread. Rebuild the reply on the board so it sounds native. Find the verb and name its family. Understand sits in the thinking family, a state, so the continuous has no job here. Strip the machinery down to the simple form and the negative rides on don't. Say it once plainly. Sorry, I don't understand this step. Sorry, I don't understand this step. The trap. The polite instinct makes the continuous feel softer. It isn't softer in English, it is just marked. Plain simple form is already polite. Your uncle owns 3 shops in Vijayawada, and you are telling a colleague about him. Which sentence would a native speaker say? Option A, my uncle is having 3 shops, or option B, my uncle has 3 shops. The answer is B, my uncle has 3 shops in Vijayawada. Owning is a state. Have in the possession sense never takes the continuous whatever the time frame. One rule. States stay simple. One test. If slowly sounds absurd, it is a state. Next video, the 2 lives of have and why she is having 2 kids does not say what you mean. The full drill set for this chapter is in the ExamMaster app.